everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Crocs Kadee 2 flip-flops. This is currently my go-to shoe for my poolside use. They normally retail around maybe $25, but I got it on Black Friday for around $10, so it was a steal at the time, and I was actually debating whether to get this one versus some no-name brand one, and I can tell you that there's definitely a massive difference between the Crocs brand and another generic brand that may look exactly like it. So I know most of you are probably thinking, well, if it's cheaper to just go with the no-name brand one, and then these are pretty much disposable kind of flip-flops, like why not? But I can tell you there's a huge difference in terms of material quality. Just looking at it right now, can you tell which one is the Crocs and which one is the generic one? Well, now that I flip it onto the bottom, you can tell, right? So with the Crocs one, the material is much more rubbery, so it has a much better grip on both your feet as well as the surface that you're walking on. It's also a little bit more flexible, so it conforms to your feet a little bit more. It's a little bit more comfortable to wear in general. Even though the outsole pattern is virtually identical between the two, that material difference is definitely noticeable in terms of grip, and that factor alone really cemented my decision to go with the Crocs. Beyond the material choice, I really do like the design. It's not like a traditional real flat flip-flop. It definitely contours to your foot so that it stays on better when you're walking. I didn't find the thong part of the flip-flop irritating at all, which can be the case for certain flip-flops. And the insole pebble design, again, allows for good grip for between my foot and the flip-flops. And then the outsole also provides really great traction, which is very noticeable when it's on a wet surface, like beside the pool or when you're taking a shower. I also feel like the midsole thickness is appropriate. It just provides just enough thickness to cushion your step without feeling overly bulky. Another huge plus to this, compared to my previous flip-flops I've owned, is that these don't attract lint or hair nearly as much or even at all, particularly when they're wet, so it's really easy to clean and maintain. My only small concern is whether or not the thong portion connecting to the bottom of the sole will hold up over time. You can see that actually generic one doesn't have it exposed like the Crocs, and that part of the shoe is always the failure point for my past flip-flops. So as of the upload date of this video, I've been wearing this pretty much every day for about 3 months, and I have to say these have been fantastic. I think the durability is there. I don't regret any penny that I spent on this. I think it's well worth the money. If you guys are also looking for some shower shoes or poolside shoes, definitely take a look at these.